Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a large granny square, which you can use as a baby blanket or a chair throw or even a shrug. So let's get started. I'm working with a 6mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. That takes the place of the first double crochet. Now I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in the ring. 1, 2. So that takes the place of 3 double crochet. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, and one more group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, slip stitch in the top of that first chain 2. And that's going to be the center of your granny square. And these are your corners, these chain 1 spaces. Okay, so there's my chain 1 space, and there's where I slip stitch to join. I'm just going to turn my work, and in this first chain 1 space, I'm just going to slip stitch. And now I'm going to make 2 groups of 3 double crochet in each corner. So I'm going to chain 2 to start. That's the equivalent of a double crochet. 2 more double crochet. 1 and 2, like that. Chain 1 and make 3 more double crochet in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that'll be a corner. Chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space and make 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 1, double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So you have one corner and the other corner. Now chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space and make 2 groups of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, make 2 groups of 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Now come over here to that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And you can see how that's forming a square. Now every row will be exactly the same. Turn the work. In this chain 1 space, slip stitch, chain 2, make 2 more double crochet in that chain 1 space, chain 1. Now go into the next chain 1 space. So in that chain 1 space of a corner, you'll make another corner, which is 2 groups of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Go to the next corner and make 2 groups of 3 double crochet. Chain 1. So every row is going to be the same, but the next row there will be 2 chain 1 spaces. So you'll make 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet here, then come to your corner and make your 2 groups of 3 double crochet. So you just continue to work that as large as you would like your square to be. And in mine I have 4 rows of pink and 2 of white. 4 rows of pink, 2 of white. 4 rows of pink, 2 of white, 4 rows of pink, 2 of white, 4 rows of pink, and then a final 2 in white. To turn your square into a shrug, fold it in half, and then you're going to sew a seam here and here. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet this large shrug. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.